Oh, how did that come off? That's interesting. Hey, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and this is the new DeWalt 20V Max handheld brushless blower. It comes apart in case you'd like to put it in the trunk of your car. And it just clicks into place. Notice it's quite a bit quieter with the tube on here. And what's this thing anyway? That's called a Concentrator Nozzle. It comes right off. That's the Concentrator Nozzle, and this thing's great. You can use it without the Concentrator Nozzle, but it really doesn't work as well. For all purposes, for using it with light variable speed and heavy variable speed, in my experience, everything's better with the Concentrator Nozzle. So it just goes on like that. It's a nice feature. So as it is with the Concentrator Nozzle, you can actually blow up to 125 miles per hour. And it'll blow up to 450 cubic feet of air per minute. And you know, it's just a 20V max tool, but it's quite efficient because it's got the axial design. The air comes in right here. Okay, it goes out here, and so it's straight through, axial design. That's improves efficiency that way. And it has a nice stand right here. You can stand it on. And you know, the way I use it really is on and off on a job site. We use it for a while, you know, for a few minutes, and put it down and pick it up and use it. It's kind of the way we use it. And I get about 3 hours of usage that way. If you were to go all out, you'd probably get about 25 minutes with a 5 amp hour battery. But you can put the flex volt batteries on here and get more time. It has a really nice variable speed trigger for finishing up a job, or you want to get those leaves right into the corner and not make a big mess. Or you can press this all the way down, put the lock on. So that's the speed lock right there. Yeah, it saves your hand wear and tear. It's pretty good for use in noise sensitive areas as well. It is rated at 66 decibels at full speed. So that's a lot quieter than a gas unit. So you might consider that, you know, to not bother your neighbors and, you know, the tenants or whatever. This blower is great for working around the house. Say after you've mowed the lawn or so forth. You see I'm blowing the leaves off here, and you can blow your sidewalks off and make everything look nice and neat. Here's a little tougher job where the grass was thicker and it's a little harder to blow, but it does a great job. In fact, everyone that uses this blower is amazed at the power that it has. I was able to get this area looking pretty good, and I used the new DeWalt 20V Max string trimmer and the 20V Max blower. In conclusion, I really like this blower. I like that it's lightweight and it has a really good ratio of power to weight. And I found that it's really popular with people I'm working with. They like to pick this one up and just use it. It's quick and handy, and it's running about $200 right now with a 5 amp hour battery and a charger. So I'll put a link in my video description for this brushless blower, and I'll put a link for the DeWalt folding string trimmer, and I'll put a link for the new DeWalt 20V Max hedge trimmer, which articulates so that you can, for instance, cut the top of a hedge even if it's over your head. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.